Hi besties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lara, and for this week's vlog, welcome back to another week in my life. I have a class at 11:30, but I need to go pick up a package. I got this new toasted marshmallow coffee syrup, but when I brewed it with my coffee, I didn't get the flavor of the syrup, so I put it into the milk today. The coffee syrup is linked in my Amazon storefront, so you guys can go check it out over there. Showered and I put on my favorite daddy pet t-shirt. I thrifted this in Bombay and it's literally the love of my life. I love it. I'm very excited for the summer because I'm going back home for 4 months. I'm not even considering the idea of staying here for longer. One of my goals for the new year is to learn how to be more financially responsible, and a few things under that is like eating more like home food and only spending on groceries, and also not buying makeup until unless I have to like refill a product or I run out. And I literally am almost running out of my blush, and I'm just gonna invest in the Rare Beauty blush, but it's sold out everywhere. Like when I was in the store and I saw that the Rare Beauty setting powder was also available, I was fully committed. But I have a concealer. My goals was to go to all my classes, and I'm doing a really bad job at that. I don't know why, but it just is so easy. Like if you skip one class, you can easily like make it up. So it's like you just get into that routine, and it's so bad, like you guys, because now I need to spend my day off, which is Wednesday, literally just doing so much school stuff, because I'm like, it's like hardly any work, but I've missed like 2 weeks 3 weeks worth of content already. Midterms are next month, you guys. Like I wasn't even expecting it to be so quick. It's not even next month, it's in like 15 days. Another one of my goals was to be consistent on TikTok, and I'm doing such a good job. Like I'm posting 3 videos a day. I'm like committed to that. So it's almost 10. I just finished an hour of stats. This is my outfit, and I'm just wearing black pants. I've been sitting in bed for like 20 minutes now. I cannot get myself out. Okay, let's go start the day. Good morning, you guys. Welcome to day 2 of this vlog. It is 7:30. I have a class at 8:30. I'm gonna go get a coffee from Starbucks because I deserve it. I literally had to con myself into getting Starbucks because that's the only way I would get out of bed. It is so cold. It was -4 when I woke up, and because I sleep with my window open, I literally could not get out of bed. It's almost 2 p.m. I finished class at 11:30. I went to academic advising, and then I bought a poster. I have a lot of work to do, obviously, but we're gonna eat before that because I did not eat dinner yesterday. After lunch, I decided that I was not gonna eat anything for some reason. So I am starving like through the roof. So right now I need to figure out my courses because I think I need to drop and add new courses, and like the deadline is running out. I tell you guys everything right now because I don't know why. So I'm doing a BA psychology degree with honors, and I'm doing 2 specialized concentrations in that, which is 120 credits. Plus I am gonna add another major, which is communication and media studies. I need to figure out every single thing because I just want to organize my academics so that from next year I can figure it out. You guys, it's almost 3 p.m. and I have not vlogged since morning. I woke up around like 8:39, I think. I was gonna film my breakfast, but we were having a lot of maintenance issues, so I had to call maintenance, and it was really a mess. I was really pissed off in the morning. There's literally a snowstorm going on right now, but my residents decided that right now is the time that they wanted to do a fire evacuation. So we literally, it's like 10 o'clock in the morning and I have to evacuate. So we ended up going for a walk. The weather is pretty, like the weather was pretty nice at that time when you guys saw the clips. Now the weather is absolute shit. It is -1 degrees and it is snowing in every direction possible. Like, I am so terrified. The state of my room after filming one video. Welcome to the last day of this vlog. It's almost 9:30. I was supposed to have a class at 11:30, but I think I'm gonna skip it because it's still freezing outside. Oh.